Hello and welcome to archive visit number 5, and this one's from May 2011 on a trip to the beautiful Lathkill Dale in Derbyshire to film dippers. Hope you enjoy it.
Well, it's May the 1st and we've come here once again to Lathkill Dale, try and find some dippers. Carpets of wildflowers around, like this ragged robin, and I think this is lesser celandine, looking in the book. Woodland forget-me-nots, bluebells, carpets of those. And I think this is marsh marigold and dandelions, of course. Blazing colour. Also look on the river there, we've got some tufted duck. And just swimming by, we've got a huge trout. Just took that leaf, I think it was, off the top. Obviously thought it was a fly or a butterfly of some sort. And it's just spat it out, thought better of it. We've got nesting moorhen. Mallard, like last time. But we're going to head upriver to where we've been told there's a good chance of seeing dippers. We were looking in the wrong place last time. They're supposed to be quite close to this bridge, so we're just going to sit quietly and see what comes along. And within about 5 minutes, there we go, our first dipper. Absolutely fantastic. I've seen dippers in the past, fleetingly, but never been able to film them before. Looking in the wrong part of the river last time. We've got a pair here. There's another one up on the bridge. Brilliant view. They've got a nest under the bridge. They put these pipes under the bridge purposely for them to nest in. You see they're gathering moss as nest material. I don't know if they've actually got... They probably haven't got chicks or eggs yet. They're probably just in the process of making this nest. What a fantastic view. I never dreamed that I'd get this close a view. But there's a walk by the river and lots of people walking by all the time, so I suppose they get used to people. I'm not quite sure if they're called dippers because of this bobbing motion or whether it's because they dip into the water and they get their food by swimming underwater, and they'll feed on insect larvae, caddisfly larvae and so on, and sometimes small fish. You see the one further up the river there, hunting. Perfect habitat, running water and stones and branches and so on for them to perch on. Brilliant, swimming right down towards us. Excellent view of one here. It's probably only about 20 yards away. Brilliant view. See the bobbing motion on the rock there. No fledglings around. Hoping to get a shot of them feeding fledglings, but maybe it's a little bit early. That'll be for next time. Absolutely fantastic.